The majestic beauty and exotic allure of palm trees have long captivated our imagination. While typically associated with tropical destinations, you can now bring the charm of these iconic trees to your very own garden. A garden palm tree not only adds a touch of tropical paradise but also creates a focal point that evokes a sense of relaxation and tranquility. One of the key benefits of having a garden palm tree is the instant transformation it brings to your outdoor space. With their tall, slender trunk and elegant fan-shaped leaves, palm trees create a striking visual impact. They add a sense of verticality and depth to your garden, drawing the eye upward and creating a captivating focal point. Whether you have a small courtyard or a sprawling backyard, a garden palm tree can lend a touch of elegance and tropical charm to any setting. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, palm trees offer practical advantages. They provide shade, creating a cool and comfortable spot where you can relax and unwind during hot summer days. Their wide, umbrella-like canopies shield you from the sun rays, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space while staying protected. Moreover, palm trees are relatively low maintenance, making them a suitable choice for busy gardeners. They are known for their resilience, adapting well to various climatic conditions and requiring minimal watering and pruning. The presence of a garden palm tree also enhances the overall ambience of your outdoor space. The swaying fronds creates a soothing rustling sound, evoking a sense of serenity and transporting you to a tropical oasis. The sound of the wind through the palm leaves adds a natural soundtrack to your garden, providing a calming effect and making your outdoor experience even more enjoyable. When selecting a palm tree for your garden, consider the specific variety that best suits your climate and available space. There are numerous palm tree species to choose from, each with its own unique characteristic and growth requirements. Consult with local gardening experts or nursery professionals to determine the most suitable palm tree species for your specific region. In conclusion, a garden palm tree brings a touch of tropical paradise to your outdoor space, creating a serene and enchanting atmosphere. Its elegant form, lush foliage, and practical benefits make it a desirable addition to any garden. Whether you dream of a secluded oasis or simply wants to add a touch of exotic beauty, a garden palm tree can turn your outdoor space into a tranquil retreat. So indulge in the allure of these majestic trees and let their presence transport you to a tropical heaven within your own garden.